Hey.
Wow, my last ever tower PR. It's the end of an era. I'm about to open 100 PR packages, like literally 100 of them in under 3 minutes. I'm also super grateful for all of this, but in order to get through all of these in a short amount of time, I'm going to make it as quick as possible. I'm gonna choose 5 people from this video for like a little give back and make boxes for you of some of this stuff. So you have to watch this video through though, and at the end I'll tell you more information on that. It's go time, baby. Let's unbox.
You do?
Bada beat.
Oh yeah.
Super dude.
Woo!
Oh hell.
I got their new mineral sunscreen.
Thank you so much.
Let me.
We got a calendar.
Let me play.
Open for pleasure. Setting the mood starts with you. XO Team Lemmy. This box is adorable. Look at the ruffles. Daily intimacy gummies.
Y'all look crazy. Oh.
Day 1 elf stand.
Bam.
Their new Glow Reviver melting balm.
Delicious.
Thank you, elf.
Oh, mama.
Sol de Janeiro.
Woo!
Are you kidding me?
I haven't tried these.
Thank you, Sol de Janeiro. This is a dream. I feel like this is like my little science lab. Like these are all my little potions. I feel like we should move, yeah? All right, where were we? Hello?
Holy sh... What?
MAC Strobe Beam Liquid Blush.
No.
No, I'm never gonna get over this. This is a dream. This is such an honor.
All these are blushes?
Why have I never seen these? I literally might puke. This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you.
Flawless.
You guys, this is incredible.
Oh my god.
Perfecting cream. And then I got 3 foundation shades. An applicator brush.
And a mirror bookie. Don't look into it though. It'll crack off.
Thank you, Lawless. Catrice Cosmetics, who I recently discovered.
Oh,
It looks like a little house. Coffee beans.
Oh, I can't see.
The
Woo!
caffeine under eye serum stick. Their new loose powder. And then new shades of their under eye brightener. I actually got a bag of coffee beans. Thank you, Catrice. That's so cool. Keep all of my funky boxes. It's a problem.
Come on, baby.
Oh.
This looks delicious.
But if you lift it, there's more underneath. A pre-shave polish,
Sugar
scrub, and hand wash. Boy, do I love tangerine. Not only do I love looking like one with my spray tans, but I love smelling them. So thank you, Tree Hut. Woo. And I just realized they wrote me a handwritten note. Thank you so much.
Hey.
saying it.
Oh, I love when they're shaped like bottles.
Got a little pamphlet. Look at those babies.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Say. I don't know if I say it enough, but I love you. Freaking out. I love this. Thank you. Glow recipe.
Woo!
Okay, pamphlet. This thing's heavy. Literally stocked of products. No, like so many products. I always bought Glow recipe and now I'm on their PR list. This is so crazy. Okay, Duo. Avocado cleanser. Watermelon glow. Plum hyaluronic cream. Dewy flush. The Hue drops. Literally got all of it. Thank you so much. Y'all are the best. Cetaphil.
Oh, yeah.
Daily facial moisturizer. Oh my god, little mini. Gentle cleanser and lotion. Thank you, Cetaphil. I know I can trust you. You're not gonna break me out. Love you.
Let's do a little Urban Decay.
I tried to do my makeup without eyeliner and I look crazy, so I'm really excited for these. And a little sharpener. You guys are the cutest. Thank you, Urban Decay. Another OG. Take note. Ralph Lauren.
What? Is this a cologne for my bookie?
And a hat? That's fire.
A fragrance for your man.
Ugh, smells like my father. I like men colones better than women's perfume, so thank you, Ralph Lauren. How cool. Ooh. Laneige, ho. Bubble tea and taro matcha and the little glowy bombs. I'm freaking. Thank you, Laneige. This is a dream. Thank you. Pureology. This is really cool. My mom uses this and I've been using it forever.
Oh.
New Dream Healer serum. Damn. Look at this big ass brush with a big ass clip. Oh my lord. Their new serum. And then it says spilling the tea and it has like a little teapot in it. Pureology. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. This is from Morphe, which is actually crazy to me. Look, it looks like the airport, all the departing flights and stuff that are boarding. Then we open her up. Look at all these blushes. No, these are crazy. Oh. Guys, I'm obsessed. This is amazing. And it came with this little sack of TSA friendly minis. A mini setting mist. And a mini setting powder. No, I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Velour lashes.
Cute little martini glass.
Oh.
We got 2
champagne flutes.
These are the best lashes. A non-alcoholic cocktail. Wine down drops. All of that was so cute. Thank you so much, Velour. Mystery. Woo! Another MAC. Damn, you guys, this is such a dream. Like MAC Cosmetics. All right, I got this little plastic briefcase.
Woo!
These are all their lip glasses. And then I got 2 lip liners. Thank you, MAC. What the hell? This is cool as shit.
Glide Glow Glow.
Huh?
Glide Glow Glow.
Cover girl, easy now. Oh my god, look, the little mirror with all the cutie things. So we got contour, blush, and a little Polaroid photo camera. Oh my god, these look so fun.
Yeah.
Okay, pinkity dinkity.
I know I'm giving a lot away, but this one's for me, mama.
Undressed tan.
Y'all know I love to tan.
Okay, self tanner.
We got a mitt.
3 different shades of their self tanner. A little buffer brush. Oh, and an exfoliating mitt. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love to self tan.
I would never be pale, literally never.
Nah, I'm about to freak out. Color pop. It's the Twilight collab. Eyeshadow palette? No.
Bella,
where you been, loca? All this makeup is Twilight themed. Are you Team Jacob? Athena Club.
Woo!
Are those s'mores? Warm, cozy deodorant. Golden vanilla body wash. Body deodorant spray. And all over deodorant.
Ooh.
Oh, I like her. Also, this packaging eats. Thank you, Athena Club. SkinCeuticals. I have heard nothing but great things about them. Wait, this is so cute. Oh, this must be their vitamin C serum. I've heard this shit is like liquid gold.
Oh.
Trippy. I'm really excited. Thank you, SkinCeuticals. Hazel Boutique, one of my favorite loungewear small businesses. Christy, a little something for spring. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. This is the cutest hoodie ever, and then the front says Hazel.
What is this little doohickey?
Oh my god, it's like a little heart bag purse thing. Is it a makeup bag? Oh, the inside is like Gingnam plaid. This is so soft. Thank you so much. You're the best. Beauty of Hosen. I know I'm saying it wrong, but look at all these different shades of SPF. Ooh, I love it so much. Thank you.
Yes, all.
Saint Laurent. YSL, ho.
Libre perfume.
Open this little. Oh my god. A YSL hair comb? You thought I was bougie before. Look at me now, baby. It's gonna get stuck. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's just chilling in my K-tip. Yeah, I know they've been showing this whole video. And of course the perfume. Thank you, yes, so. Oh, this is a card. It's like a royal wedding invite. Oh my god, these are literally like postcards. Ha!
YSL.
Coast RX. I got a restock of all their goodies. Snail mucin. Can somebody tell me what exactly that is of the snail? Is it their like... Is it their poo-poo? What is that? I don't know, but anything Korean skincare, I'm like, okay, tell me what to do, I'll do it. I trust you with my life, so thank you so much.
Is it their jizz?
Kitsch. This is a box stuffed of Harry Potter themed hair care items. These are all microfiber hair towels. I've got one of each house. Oh. A silk pillowcase of each house. Satin scrunchy hair clips. I want to be a Harry Potter nerd so bad. I'm like jealous of everybody that's super into it because I love that stuff. But that's an iconic collab. Thank you, Kitsch. Oh, mocha and honey. I've been meaning to open this forever. We got a little bag. Guys, I want to make my own collab with Hydro Jug. I've already got some vision. Ow. Ow. Okay, I know this is supposed to be like honey yellow, but Walt's gonna eat this up because he's gonna think it's like mustard. It came with a milk and honey hand cream and a little mini honey. And a little baby Hydro Jug. Oh, and a little coffee pen. Thank you, Hydro Jug. Yeah! I got this big ass hoe from Pharmacy. They're always really creative.
Why was this in slow-mo?
I got a cooler and a pool towel. And then obviously all these Pharmacy goodies. These are so good. Thank you so much, Pharmacy. Pro Lash. Oh, it's like a whole gift bag. Woo.
Another slow-mo, cause I'm an idiot. Yeah.
Extra lashes that last like 7 days. They're really cool. Thank you so much. Benefit. I'm so excited.
Oh.
I got a clam. Maybe it's a big ass pearl. Oh my god, Hoola Bronzer, the OG. Again, I'm gonna puke. This is insane. A bronzing balm. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Wow. Shut your trap, ho. V & Co. These are always heavy as shit because they're like big old shampoos. I just know it.
Look at that, baby.
I got one for volume, one for shine, one for moisture. This is actually incredible. Thank you so much. NARS. Yeah. Oh, look, there's little products. This is their light reflecting foundation. I'm so excited to try this. Thank you, and your names are crazy. Have you seen what they named their product? 6'9" baby dime. You know what I'm saying?
You know, after 2 hours of filming, obviously I made a couple of mistakes.
Sorry, milk makeup.
Not edible, might I add.
And living proof, you gave me a restock. I love you. I might cry because the audio wasn't on any of that. Rock Skincare. Woo. Oh, cool. Hydration serum and moisturizer. With this cute little puffer bag. Thank you, Rock. You rock. Okay. Ayo, we ain't fucking around. Let's go. This is the best thing I ever seen. They're like Laneige donuts. Yummy. Drunk Elephant. La. Oh, hand cream. Bora barrier cream. Yeah.
Ooey gooey, baby.
Oh, this is like really thick. Thank you. Little playing cards. Thank you, Drunk Elephant.
Rio Gio.
Ho. Ta-da! Hello, girl. Where'd you come from? That was so cool. I literally just used this 2 nights ago. This is their rosemary pre-wash oil and their charcoal exfoliant scalp shampoo. Thank you, Rio Gio. I love y'all so much.
Me and my bestie.
Hey. All right, cue the outro. Mama's sweating. As always, I'm going to mention every single brand below. I know we did a lot of them. This was the first time I didn't stop to like say thank you after every single one just so I could fit them all in. But you guys know how thankful I am. Like, this is fucking crazy. If you want a chance to win a box of some of this stuff, all you have to do is make sure you're following me here on TikTok, follow my Instagram at Christy Howard, tag your favorite creator below, and I'm gonna be selecting 5 of you guys. I'm posting a video on my page right after this, showing you guys all the things that you could win. So go check that out if you're interested. Okay, good luck. Isn't the microphone so fun? Like, sorry, I can't help it.
Bye.
Last unboxing ever. Bye, ho. See you later, bitch.